Good morning, everyone. I am Marine Cadet Matt Anthony M. Lamor, and I am here to explain the four laws of thermodynamics. The laws of thermodynamics are a set of four fundamental principles in physics that describe how energy behaves in different systems. These laws govern the flow of energy, especially in the form of heat and work, and explain the natural direction of process in the universe. They are essential for understanding how everything from engines and refrigerators to the human body and the entire universe operates. The four laws of thermodynamics help marine ships by ensuring efficient energy use, proper temperature control, and improved engine performance. They guide engineers in conserving fuel, reducing heat loss, and maintaining safe and reliable ship operations. Every process in nature involves some form of energy transfer, whether it's the sun heating the earth, a car engine converting fuel into motion, or your body using food for energy. The laws of thermodynamics help us. These laws do more than explain how machines work. They define the limits of what's possible in the physics world. The laws of thermodynamics are not just abstract science theories. They are the foundation for much of modern science and engineering, and also they help us to understand more. These are the four laws of thermodynamics. Zeroth law. If object A is in thermal equilibrium with object B and B is the thermal equilibrium with object C, then A is also thermal equilibrium with C. It means this law defines temperatures and allow us to use thermometers if things are the same temperature. They won't exchange heat. First law, law of energy conservation. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed. Heat added, work done by system. It means that the total energy of a system is constant. If you add heat, the energy either increases the temperature or does work. Second law, energy always increases. What it says is energy transfer. Some energy becomes unusable, often loss of heat, and the entropy disorder of an isolated system will always increase over time. It means heat naturally flows from hot to cold, not the other way. Perfectly efficient machines are impossible. Third law, absolute zero unreachable. It says a system approaches absolute zero. The entropy approaches a constant minimum. It means you can't reach absolute zero. There will always some molecular motion or disorder left. In short, zeroth law temperature makes sense. First law, energy is conserved. Second law, entropy increases. Third law, absolute zero is unreachable. That's all. Thank you.